Hi, my name is Matt from ClickBid, and in this video, I wanted to talk about do-it-yourself video production. Right off the bat, let me say story is king. The creators of the movie Toy Story said that, and it's completely true. If you were to just set up a web camera and talk to it, you would be successful if you told a good story. But what makes a good story? Well, you, your staff, and the recipients of your charity. Tell us what you do every day to help the cause. Have someone talk about how the charity has helped them, and have a staff member talk about how this is the best job in the world. And be sure to use words like because, for example, and once upon a time. Make it personal and short. Remember that your viewers are not locked in a ballroom, so keep it brief. Yeah, great, Matt, but how do you expect me to put all this together? I don't have time for this. Aha, but it's very, very easy. Here's how you do it in less than a week. First, grab a smartphone. Second, order a microphone for your smartphone. Third, pick up a simple phone tripod at your local convenience store. And fourth, if you're feeling fancy, order a ring light for your smartphone. Boom, you're legit. Your phone has an amazing video camera. Just point that bad boy at the person you're recording, mic them up, and press record. Tell them to tell their story, let it rip. Well, don't go crazy, about 5 to 10 minutes will do. And here's an idea, make a list of 5 questions that you want to ask. Ask them to all the people you interview. Then, follow that up and ask them to tell a story about the charity. Feel free to do whatever works for you. It's all about telling a good story. Then, either edit the video on your phone, yep, there's an app for that, or do what I did for this video and upload the video footage to Google Drive or Dropbox or whatever, and hire someone to edit it for you. There are tons of editors online who make videos for YouTubers, and they're crazy good. They'll make it exciting and punchy. Then upload the final video to YouTube or Vimeo when you're done and share it with the world. Put it on ClickBid, put it on social media. That's all there is to it. Now, get busy and remember, story is king and way more important than how polished it is. Oh, and be sure to have fun.